Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be putting on these rock guards onto the wide body. So have a set for the front and a set for the back. These were from ZL1 Addons. I'll have a link to the description to them down below to get these exactly. Alright, so when I bought the Charger, it came with these smaller rock guards, and these are for the front fenders. I kind of get why they only gave you the front fenders for these instead of the rear, just because there's more side molding to protect. However, we now have both sets for the rear and the front, and they're just so much bigger, and it feels like they're tougher plastic too, so they'll be able to take a little bit more force and keep the car protected as well from, you know, branches, rocks, all that type of stuff, and help you know, preserve your paint. And especially with me having a black car, that's exactly what I want to do. So we'll go ahead, we'll open these up and we'll get them installed. All right, sorry, someone's mowing, so hopefully there's not too much background noise. But for the rears, no screws or anything. It's just the what would you call these, the trim holders, these little trim clips. So they'll just put them in there, pop them in, and you just put them right back here in the side of the car. Maybe if I can, you know. Easy as that for getting these rear ones done. So yeah, it looks like they'll provide, you know, quite a bit of protection down behind here. Oh man, I'm still picking burnt rubber off of this from when we were out there. I need to clean the bottom of this better. Whew. But there's one, so we're just gonna go over to the other side, pop the other one in. Alright, so we got the rear ones installed. Took all of 45 seconds. So they're on here. Provides a little extra lip to the outside too, to, you know, kind of help protect the back part as well. So instead of just underneath your entire, I guess this would be part of the bumper, but you know, your rear fender is now protected too, and keeps it from, you know, taking all those heavy hits. So let's move on to the front. The fronts actually came with some hardware, so we might actually have to find some places to actually, like, I don't know if we're gonna have to drill holes into it, or if, because they came with factory front ones, if the hardware will just mount up to the inside of that, which is what I'm thinking. So we'll go over there and we'll figure that out. All right, so these are a bit different. The rear ones are easy to put on. The front ones are a little odd. So, in the factory Dodge ones, right here, right? They sent you these little push clips, and they don't hold jack shit in place at all. So, I've taken a couple extra trim pieces out of the car. And the only reason I did that is because I've had extra ones sitting around, and because when I take stuff off, apparently I don't like to put stuff back together correctly. So, we're just going to use recycled old trim pieces to put this in, because these down here will not work. So, yeah, we're going to put those in, and then there's going to be 2 screws that are going to be going in here to the top, one down here at the bottom, and then it wants a bolt. However, I have no idea where the hell this bolt's supposed to go, so that's just something that we're going to have to figure out, and we'll go from there. And yeah, next time you see me, we will have this side on, and then we'll go over and do it to the other. All right, so we went ahead and we got the front driver's side one on. So for the bottom part, the bolt, there's a little trim connector down here that you're gonna have to go ahead and remove. And then you'll take this bolt, and then the space in between the flap and I guess the wheel well, you just put this little doodad on like that. And then from where the trim connector was connected in the back, just take your, what is this, your nut, just put it on and screw it on in the back, and it should be fine. They recommended putting these washers on here for whatever reason. the screw just kind of went right through them. So yeah, there was really not much that I'm not gonna leave these on, because it says, yeah, use 3 screws per sides and the washers to attach the rock guard to the inner. So yeah, it's all good. It's fine. It looks good though, like, and I can definitely tell that that's gonna help protect the bottom of the of my rocker panels. So that's the driver's side. We're gonna go put the passenger side one on, and then we're gonna be done. And then we're gonna drive the Charger right back into the garage. So cool. Yeah, let's go get this other one on. So rock guards are on. That means the first 2 upgrades done to the car have been completed and done. The what is it? The catch can will be coming in here soon. So we'll finally get to do some under the hood work. So that'll be fun. Yeah, I can't wait for that. That should be another couple weeks and it should be in here, and then that's just gonna be a painless, simple install. So I have the side marker lights turned on, so you know, here's what we've done to the car: the rock guards and the side marker lights. And quite frankly, it does change the appearance of the car, you know, quite a bit. I like it. I think it looks good. So we're probably going to debadge the car too, take the Dodge emblem off, take the Charger emblem, the Scat Pack, the 392. I'll probably leave the front Scat Pack one on, but then I got a B head. As you may remember from the Challenger, I put that was actually one of my first most viewed videos, was the B head video, which the guy recording this right now, he's the one that edited that video, so that looks awesome. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you all for watching. We will be back soon. Probably the 6-month review of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and then working on the Tahoe. Those will probably be the next videos. So yeah, leave a like and a comment if you want to. Subscribe if you want to see more content, and I will see you next time. Bye.